Okay, so we got a request for the drain tube here and how to exactly do this, because sometimes you can have a tough time. It is really difficult sometimes to just pull that plug. So I'm just going to show you how to do it without actually ripping the tube out. So first of all, we're going to have to open this. Just be careful because there's a little space here, and you really just want to get the space between that to open that up, right? So then we see the black drain tube. Now I'm gonna remove this, so I usually pull from this side because that side is a little bit longer than this side, so it just makes it easier. And I use like a flat type bowl. Now the reason I use that bowl is because it's just so low to the ground. I don't have one of those drawers. And you want to hold the tube on this end, pinch it, and just kind of twist this out. Now once that's done, just gonna let it drain. Now there will be quite a bit that'll come out, so you want to stay ready. And you will notice a bit of a smell, a sewer smell. So now what I'm going to do is just plug it real quick. I'm going to drain this bowl. So you can see that the flat bowl really comes in handy. Now if I had some drawers underneath this setup here, that would have been ideal for a larger bowl. Okay, I'm going to take this, make sure that it's plugged up so you can see to that point. At this point, you would want to remove this. As you can see, that's pretty mucked up. I haven't checked this in a while. Alright, and then you're going to see all that gunk in there, right? So you just want to clean it out. You can see it's a lot cleaner. We're going to come back, take a look in there. Now in there, you can see that it's pretty gunked up too. So, you want to get all that up. As much as you can. Tight quarters here. All right, and that is how to drain and clean out the filter trap, a drain trap, I should say, on your Samsung front load washer. I'm gonna put this back. You know, I get some requests, some things, and I'm like, oh yeah, I haven't done that in a while. And then I get to make a video. So remember I said that hook is a little bit longer than this one. I'm just gonna tuck that back. And you're all done.